agathimura ena homa na wacoka thutha ni ukuona mundu uyu waheo mwana uyu ni arahuthagira indo tureta mucus forming food koguo agaciara mwana wina homa, agaciara mwana wina adenoids, agaciara mwana wina sinuses, agaciara mwana urahingana githuri, ukarigwo arahingana githuri niki na ni mwana munini ena mieri kana ena thiku
ona dada exposito
tondu mwana ariaga kiria mami arige.
Yes.
So we wikiri uriaga na nikio ndingi I think it's ni Kakamega tuonie guku media mukionania mwanaga wa kilo 7 kana ni 10 mwana waciaritwo mutungu biu nginya ndonaga maitho na akurire na mwiri ucio munene. So nyina uri atiriri niki wariaga wi muritu augire ariaga nyama cina maguta na waru chipo ndake noguo hendaga. So ona riria nikio njiraga atiri mundu akihariria kugia mwana agirwo kwihariria mieri 3 to ti mwana tu uragia ni mundu gutura muturire waku na hota guguthinia nginya githina mukwanju. Mbeca ciothe wathukuma no we uratwarira nigetha mu sustain na muturire wake ndagakue. So kiri uraria nikio githondekaga mwana. So cancer ni raingiha muno tondu ni turaria irio itari na irio thiini wacio.
Irio itari na irio
ni gutuga irio itari na irio thiini wacio kana food like products kana food products na nicio ciratuma andu gitariu ni ukora mundu akikwira atiriri ni ndi murituri ndanywaga soft drinks ngiendaga nginya kuona mai handu no soft drinks. What does soft drink contain? Soda uranywa ri ina chemical compound iriku iguteithiriria mwiri waku ina irio iriku thiini wacio nigetha iteithiririe we na iteithiririe mwana. Na nikio maita maingi wonaga mutumia agia mwana either we arware nutrients ciothe irathire kwi mwana we agatigwe mubebe immunity yake igathie thi kana mwana arware because they are not absorb kindu gia kuigana. So cancer ci thiini wa andu but niki ki activate cancer cells. Hindi ingi ni twari uhoro wa body defensive mechanism. Na twari uhoro wa body defensive mechanism ni indo iria iteithagiriria mwiri waku kwaga kurwara kwaga kurwara na guku maintain ndukarware na ati ona kindu kingiingira thiini waku indo ici ci alert ciote kurwa kubuthura thina ucio thiini waku na indo icio nigetha ciote gwika uguo no muhaka we uci support itingikogwo from nowhere no muhaka uci support na indo ici nitugire ni ithano tukiuga twina kindu twitaga stem cells tukiuga hena kindu gitagwo angiogenesis tukiuga hena kindu gitagwo DNA kindu gitagwo microbiome na immune system icio ni indo ithano thiini wa mwiri wa mundu akuraga nacio na nigetha ci support ciote kuruta wira uria ciagirwo ni kuruta nigetha ndukarware wona mundu uyu ni agirirwo gu service indo icio tugaga like githuko tugaga regenerating regenerate kana rejuvenate mwiri waku those body healing mechanism. For example we hana na nyoka nyokari ni kinyaga handu ngithi handu hena nyoka ni ukuona kwina ngothi iyo nurite niwona igacokia ngothi ingi njeru ona njagathi ni kinyaga handu mutingo yo gatinika na bado gakura ringi kindu kire kiratuma kindu kiu gikure ni kindu gitagwo stem cells. Mundu aitumbe ari stem cells. So stem cell ni arutire ritho ikiruta ngoro ikiruta ini ikiruta kindu gitagwo liver niwona. So human body is a stem cell. So we started from a stem cell. Ko mundu ayuka guthondekwa stem cells ri how healthy was this stem cell? You get how healthy was this angiogenesis? Iyuka gukura how healthy was the microbiome? Ko nigetha coke thondeke mwana uyu auma thiini ja taro like autism. Autism ni activate agwo muno chere mwana wina autism ni diet ire wariaga na medete na nikio wonaga ona wahe mwana ucio ni wiragwo aikaraga kwi ndagitari ndukahe mwana ngano ndukahe mwana cukari indo icio ni citumaga twike hyper no thina uyu wambiririo hindi ya conceive from the stem cells. So stem cell angiogenesis na microbiome na immunity na DNA icio nicio mundu icio nicio wangeci icio nicio ndagitari na nigetha indo ici ciote kurwa na cancer ri hena irio irenda hena indo twitaga catechins
nigetha igie matharaita
nigetha igie matharaita exactly he kindu gitagwo catechins he kindu twitaga curcumin he kindu twitaga bromelain he kindu icio ni ndawa ni wona ni ndawa he kindu twitaga flavonoids icio ni ndawa anthocyanins icio ni ndawa no riu ndauga uguo ri mundu egwiciria ni ndawa fulani.
It's what I'm thinking too.
No, ni riria tuoya irio uria ndawa cioyagwo cigithondekwo cia thibitari cigekwo kindu twitaga analysis makarora ni chemical iriku tungitukania neno nigetha ithondeke ndawa fulani nigetha ukirio ni mutwe ri wameria ri utinie kurio ni mutwe you get now those are active chemicals now in food.
All right.
No dari oguo ri scientist ne understand.
Yes.
No riu ndoka kwi mundu wa mucii kana nigetha
unjira kana ndanyita ndagitari ugatiriri ni kumenya kana uge wa kumenya nguria giki na giki na giki na giki nigetha feed stem cells ciakwa cihote kurwa na mirimu. Is it right?
Very true.
Okay.
Na niki giki ukoretwo ki feed nigetha mwiri waku ukaremererwo stem cell ikaremererwo.
The same thing happened to mundu uria murwaru
aheire
nigetha arware ri niki kiu ekirire stem cells ini yake ikiaga kurwa na murimu ucio wokire tondu undu wa mbere ni utwirire o mundu ena cancer cells mwiri-ini wake no uhoti wa mwiri gucihura kana kuhura riria ciatuika active ni kuringana na kiria urahe mwiri waku na aria marwarite aingi ao ni kwaga kuhe irio mwiri irio ingithota kuhurana na murimu ucio.
Taru number one cause, thank you so much. Number one cause ya cancer ni tobacco. Yes. Na no ukorwo first or second hand. Ukigucia thigara. Taru ndanakora micii mingi muthuri no gucagia thigara. No mutumia na liver cancer.
True.
No ikosetwo ni muthu? Yes.
Oh my God.
Ikosetwo ni muthuri.
Oh my God.
Ndogo iyo aragucia nyumba. Wamuria ni gucagia thigara. Kwani ndi gucagia thigara? Wathie tu second ukamuria muthuri ni agucagia. You get?
Are you for real?
Yes. Ugakora mundu ucio ni ararora no ndu ha kindu kirekwo ni mundu ungi. So na nikionaga thirikari ne yageretie kwikira handu ha kuguciria thigara.
Muthimo nywe na kuinywe mwe uragira.
Ndogiro kunywira thigara in public because it will affect somebody else.
Oh yeah.
At your expense.
Oh yeah.
Wona? So ni rado mataiguaga but at least the question gani mageretie muno you don't see people smoking openly. Nikio andu maigagiriro smoking zone. Muthimo gwatanie na kou.
So they thigara smoking.
Yeah, smoking.
We first consume kana second. Second ni uria uguceirio we how.
Exactly.
Right.
So another thing nayo affectaga angiogenesis mikiha. Mikiha ya thakame. Kindu kingi ni njohi.
Mikiha yokira ku.
Ni hatukire angiogenesis.
Right.
Niwona? Cancer cells ciambirie gutuika active.
Yes.
Nigetha imestatize kana cikure. You see? Ni irenda supply ya blood. Niwona? Koguo gutari na supply ya thakame citingikura.
Yes.
Niwona? Na he kindu gitagwo angiogenic therapy. Na ni huthagirwo ni ndagitari muno kweria gutinia nigetha cells ciambiririe ku ciragera ku
mikiha-ini ya thakame.
Yes. That is no ya kami.
Waria githungu muno ni ujangaga no ni tugucoka nigetha wewe muthomu muno ni utucangaga. Turathi na mbere na kunyitanira na Dr. Rose tugiuka nginya mbere ni atwira kindu kiria kira cause muno cancer number 1 ni tobacco kana ugucia wa thigara. Na ugucia wa thigara to mundu ucio uragucia nginya we uikaraga hau akigucia na muno ukaigua mutumia ni arwara kiria cancer ona ciana ni ciarora cancer na ni undu wa ithe kugucia thigara kana mundu wao kana brother yao kana mundu ugucagiria thigara ona kana jirani hau hakuhi nawe tugathie haraya ni turacokererio na nigetha tumenye atiriri mirimu ya cancer tukuminina atia na ningi Dr. Rose akirikiriria atwire atiriri niki kiratuma andu magwe magakua na tugwika atia nitukwendete ndukaneire na ndukanemene and not in the mighty name of Jesus Christ.
Meme TV. Unachopata kwa kufikia malengo yako sio muhimu kama vile unavyokuwa na kujijenga katika safari ya kutimiza malengo haya.
Kupata malengo yako kama skiza tune yako, piga *811*631#.
St. John Ambulance ni marugoririe Highway Rescue Centers ni undu wa guthaitira mioyo ya andu riria kwagia mitino ya bara-ini nene ya Naikuru guthie Nairobi. Centers ici ikoragwo Ngarariga, Rari na Kinungi. Thina uria erutiria ya kuma St. John makoragwo naguo ni kwaga ambulance ya kuguthukia arwaru thibitari. Ni undu ucio St. John Ambulance ni maragwitira igongona ria gucanga mbeca cia kugura ambulance nirio Charity Golf Tournament iria gakotera 14 mweri wa kana kuria Murimu Country Club kwambiriria thinacara na nuthu cia rucini o nginya thaa 4 muthenya. Kwiyandikithia ta mundu kiumbe ni 3,000 na group ya andu ana ni 10,000. Twiko mwe wa guteithia guthaitira mioyo. Hura 0707 762 627. Paybill ne 4092409. Account name wandike kiugo go. Nĩ igongona rĩa gũcangithia mbeca cia kũgũra ambulance nĩyo Charity Golf Tournament tarĩki 14 mweri wa kana Murimu Country Club kuma thinacara na nuthu cia rũcinĩ.
Dr. Rose John ni metwi nake tafarira ni ariri na ugima tugithie na mbere na gukorwo tukinyitanira na nigetha tumenye tukumira kana tukunina murimu uyu wa cancer na njira iriku. Ni atwira muno ni undu wa kiria turaria na wagiriire gukorwo anjiririe atiriri ndagitari tigaga kuria irio o tondu ni uraria. Don't feed your stomach, feed your cells, because you are we stem cells icio uraigua nicio ithondekete we na ciahota guthondeka we mubebe kana we cuma na watwika we mubebe no gukua na nimo aranjira ona tugikirikiria no egutwira ikuo ici ironekana niki na tukwigitira atia na nie ndirona citucokereirie aikorwo ndirahetia muno ari tutwara uhoro wa stem cell no pereda ya nguririkanie Kameme TV twi live Facebook Kameme TV Kenya na no nyende urie ndagitari kiuria ndugagikirio hau ri tondu nie ndingohota gukuriria ciuria ciaku ciothe na ni wakigwa ndagitari ni muthomu rimwe ni arekanagia githungu haha ngarigwo ni ateuga koguo ni wagereire kuria kiuria giaku Kameme TV Kenya hau thi na aria mena Facebook yakwa ni ndimagaire I have shared na koguo nawe nturakuria ushare nigetha tukorwo tukinyitanira hamwe. Ndagitari watwira number 1 is smoking, number 2 ni johi
toro kwa andu manyua makiria
right
ka affect mwiri wao
right.
Na karehe cancer and most cancer of the pancreas. Mundu na cancer of the pancreas ni uragio kana ni uragucia thigara kana ni uranyua johi. Yes, because that is the major cause.
Right.
Hena kindu kingi kirehaga kana githukagia kana gika feed stem cells cia kuuru ni kindu gitagwo maguta maingi and especially maguta maya tutaga saturated fats.
Right.
Saturated fats ni maguta manyitanite ginyera tu spreadaga iguru wa migate. Unaona maguta manyitanite, you see.
Saturated fats.
Nisho tutaga saturated fats.
Nikio maguta maria maninirwo.
Nikona maguta
matare solid, matare liquid.
Ni mathiete mathirite to ni mara affect mwiri waku muno. Na kindu kingi twitaga shukari.
Right.
Yeah, sugar. Right. Tugaga sugar is a sweet poison. So body defensive mechanism wagirirwo gucifeed irio ati undu cigukorwo ci strong thini wa mwiri waku cihote kurua na murimo to cancer murimo wothe. Ndirathomithia handu nguga atiriri ngamera atiriri, if it is caused by food it will be treated by food.
Right.
You get?
Right.
You cannot ndugate agikuru muri
na ya moto ni moto.
Exactly. Agikuru muri muyo rehetwo ni irio uguthondekwo ni irio na 95% ya mirimu ya andu aria marwarite thiitu ni tugaga 5% ni lifestyle.
Right.
Lifestyle ni ati you are dormant, do exercise,
right.
Wina stress because even stress causes cancer.
Right. Oh.
Yes.
RJ.
Stress causes cancer because you are giving pressure to this body defensive mechanism.
Okay.
Ndaire kwira mundu uria wi muci nigetha anyite. Ukigena stress muno ku mundu uriaga wega, akanyua wega, ni rorete irio ciake no ena cancer, akarigagwo cancer irauma ku stress.
Tondu ni uhinyiririe
ni uhinyiririe meciria maku. Ukahinyiriria hormones igaitika thini wa system yaku iria itagirire ikiria go save mwiri waku nigetha utigane na stress. Na nikiwonaga kwi mundu wiciragia agakinya handu akaremwo ni gwiciria riu akagwa.
Oh yeah.
Mukonaga aragwa gwiciria ni kibaba no ni stress. Kwi mundu wiciragia agakinya mwisho akaremwo ni gwiciria akona kabathite.
Oh yeah,
yeah, exactly. I cannot stomach this.
Ni mwiri warega.
Ni mwiri warega.
Na mechanism.
Tondu ni akira meciria make ni makira.
Na matharaita
body defensive mechanism.
Oh yeah.
So, maundu maya ni ma-affectaga our health. Koguo no urie wega, uria control stress no iguthinia. So, ni njuga atiriri na andu maremagwo ni control stress. Ni kwa kwihoka Ngai.
Oh yeah.
Tondu Ngai arauga ukai kuri nie. Inyuothe mutikanitie mirigo na ni ngumuhe kihuruko. Ni kihuruko kia meciria na ngoro. Nikio Jesu arauga uka. Twina ithiramu ni mathomaga Qur'an ni ramera. Wona? Koguo we ko ni witikitie Ngai. Tondu ni njira mundu atiriri. Umuthi kiria gioka umuthi. Rucio kiroka maita matatu makigioka umuthi. Okay, gioka maita 10. Na gikorwo giki gioka umuthi ni waremwo
ku handle.
Nduri na shock absorber ya ku handle in your system. Uka weaken your immune system trying to fight for you. Uka weaken your DNAs trying to fight for you.
I totally understand it.
Wanyita? So, uka weaken your microbiome. Nikio wonaga mundu ena stress ni agia na kironda kianda.
Oh yeah.
Tondu mwiri ni wagiria guita the strongest fluid which is hydrochloric acid. Igaita thini wa nda na maita maingi mundu ena stress ndariaga. Riu igaitika igacina nda. So, mwiri ni ukoragwo geretie guguteithiriria hari ungihota no wakiria ukaremwo o ta irio. Irio wale iria itagirire, irio cina maguta maingi, irio cina cukari muingi, irio cina kiria cumbe muingi, cumbe ugikiraga irio cumbe kwi mundu no irio ona mukawithe nduonaga tuheago irio na tugekirwo cumbe hau
nigetha wiyikirire
nigetha wiyongerere. So ungikorwo wi fan wa kuriaga cumbe muingi, you will end up getting sick, cancer. Ni tondu content ile thini wa cumbe yo most of the time cumbe ni bleached. Uraria cumbe wi empty. Ni taste urahuthira. Na nikio maita maingi wonaga wandikitwo artificial iodine. So it's not natural whereby mwiri witagwo the body defensive mechanism will be able to absorb. You see, it is artificial iodine. So sometimes it's synthetic. Tukane synthetic body would not recognize. Na rimwe tuko gatiriri ugithi ugure kindu kibagiti. Na ni urona ingredients ha na maritwa ni uraremwo guthoma. Uguo niguo body defensive mechanism ikoremo ni guthoma. Uguo niguo body defensive mechanism ikoremo ni guthoma. No itharu ni uramenya atiriri ina chlorophyll, ina fiber thini wao yayo, ina vitamins thini wayo, mushrooms the same, red cabbage the same, ni uramenya kiria content iria thini wayo. No thini wa bagiti warora wana ingredients iria ci thini wacio. That is what it will bring in balance in the body defensive mechanism. Right. Turaugire irio ni ifuku. Ni ifuku wikiraga thini wa mwiri waku, mwiri ugathoma. Koguo warega guthoma uria kwagiriire. Yaremwo ni guthoma uria kwagiriire. Igathoma opposite. Ikera cells atiriri ni time ya gukura. It's time to mastatize. Na reke ngwire cancer cells no ikure 16,000 times na wiki igiri. Within 2 weeks. Within
shida meto ni guthoma ni kiki.
Kiria wekira the opposite of food. Wekira opposite of food. Ikura 16,000 times. Wekira microscopic uguo. Ukarigo ino ni cancer ya ndronire last week. Taici ni kurite makiria. Irakura niki? Tondu kwina irio wikirite thini wacio. Cancer is caused by food. It will be reversed by food.
kimatawa.
The other day ndari na patient yonge I don't fight drugs and they are very good. Aradikirwo chemo 48 session. Adikirwo chemo 48 session ni ari ajigwaga oka. Riu oka aranjoria atiriri ndagitari njike chemo. Ndamwira atiriri ndamurora oguo ri na twaria ri ni ndirona lifestyle yake koguo thiini wa muturire wake cells ciake gutire nutrients.
Oye.
Na nikiwonaga andu aingi mekwo chemo makagwa. Tondu nduri na nutrients wekwo chemo gicoka ya kere ndagitari akwira ndigugwika chemo. Niki nduri na thakame ya kuigana.
Oye.
So when you get cancer, the first thing wicirie, can my body sustain chemotherapy? Tondu wahota guthi gwika chemo handu iguteithie kuiga thi. Wahota gwika radiation handu iguteithie kuiga thi. Na ti ati ndiume iguteithie. It helps. Ni njugaga chemotherapy and radiation ni teithagiriria kuhoreria maruru ma cancer. No gwera kura
ni magukurana.
Ni teithagiriria kuhoreria kume suppress. No riria wekwo chemo ri kana radiation ri waremererwo ni tondu mwiri urari mabebe.
Oi mother.
Ndurari na nutrients. We lifestyle yaku ni tenda twitaga sedentary lifestyle. Lifestyle yaku ni cai, soda, migate, gano, that is gano in general. Iyo lifestyle yaku. Lifestyle yaku ni nyama throughout. Na nini nyama wacamania nayo ndurenda kumenya, and not only meat but even quantity ni uraria kwa uingi. Lifestyle yaku ni njohi, lifestyle yaku ni thigara, lifestyle yaku ni cukari muingi, wendete indo cina cukari muingi,
we mubebe na nikio mandiko marauga nyumba yaku thiini wa muthingi murumu nigetha kihuhukanio gioka ni kota gwitiria. The same thing with our bodies. Riria turera andu atiriri tiga kuria kina ni turamenya tutirakwira tiga kuria. We have facts. Turakwira tiga kuria ni tondu waria kana waria kwa wingi no urie yes but sparingly. Yeah, true.
Yes,
Dona mena atimatikana kire nyama.
Yes, but sparingly. Tari ku mundu ria nyama na muno tungena nyama ici cia free range na thiku ici niguo twina thina. Ungina nyama ng'ombe iria ithagio githakari kana mutitu na thiku ici ni uria tutari ri na nikio wonaga tene ni twari ya nyama na tutiarwaraga
green fed grass fed
because it is grass fed. Yes. Milk is grass fed. Tari dirikanaga tuheaga thara rutheni rusan na rusan ni irio cia mundu na kiria na kureithia na ng'ombe ni ikaraga muno itekurwara. Yaheo mwana ire mwana gukira ri ndonaga my grandmother agitherukia thabai o hau ikomete guti mai mangi kuhe ni
megokira
3 days ng'ombe ikarugama.
True.
But today gikorora ng'ombe ni rakorora ndina cancer, ng'ombe ina cancer, ndina cancer, mburi ina cancer, thamaki ina cancer. Ni tondu waki the environment is contaminated
na indo iria turacihe
na indo iria turacihe tondu ni ngigura irio ciakwa supermarket hena ha ng'ombe haria ha ngui na ha nyau. Ithuothe turagura refined processed food. Na nikirona we have this twina mirimu teno. So niki tugwika. The thing is ni kumenya atiriri niki kingeithiriria na niki twaragia uhoro wa detoxification. Why do we detox the body? Tura detox the body because environment is contaminated. Irio iria turaria ri ni hure dawa na kwina irio ungiria hure dawa no gie cancer ona cinjega. Yes, nundu akuhurwo dawa ire itagirire na dawa nyingi ni cia bani no ciendagio no ihuragwo
kinya fertilizer.
Exactly, no cihuragwo. Ona tene twakihandaga irio na fertilizer na andu matiaroraga ure turarwara umuthi uyu. Fertilizer iyo ihana atia? You see? So the thing is nikio turaria atiriri ona tukiriaga irio ici ri njega ri make sure after twice a year ni urathambia mwiri waku. Wathambia ri ni wehereria thangari, ni wehereria mung'ei, ni wehereria giko thini wa system yaku na ni wa rejuvenate ici twitaga body defensive mechanism. You see? Na ni kuhota mwiri waku naturally ni ukuhota. Mundu ndamwiri atiriri after we do this the twambe twike detoxification na wambiririe kuria wega. Ambiririe kuria wega ri it's not yesterday, it's a history.
All right.
Mundu ucio twani na 3 months ngimwira riu thie wikwo kemo. Yes, riu thie wikwo kemo. Right. Ekwo kemo nginya njuiri ndiamunyukire.
Wow.
Koguo nginya rwara rutwa munyukire.
Koguo imunyukaga niki?
Tondu mwiri ni weak. It is effective. Weko kemo, when the system is weak, the body defensive mechanism are weak. Chiko atate ko tolerate this kind of treatment. Jesus. And it is harsh chemicals in the system. Kogo nigetha cihote go tolerate mundu uyu na ona before ikitwe kemo, make a test ya tumor moni ene shirinkite.
Wow.
Yes.
Just food.
Just food. Food and detox. Detox is herbal medicine. Gimoya irio na dawa. Gicoka ngimwira riu thio eko kemo. Acokari ndagitari ni amurorire muno. Na akimuria niki wikite akimwira ni ndoni nutritionist na agithia kijira uria ndiririaga. In fact, na witikie mundu ucio bado ni ariaga nyama. Gete ndamwire nyama ndukari fiu. No, nyama ni ariaga. Shukari ni tumaga cells ikure gukira nyama ungiria na
ugenywa quantity nene.
Yes, quantity. Wona na kuria nyama icio uraruta. Wona
iria
watu iriasha mundu no kansa no ithuke muno nundu wa iria gukira nyama.
What?
Yes. Iria
ni out of no negotiation. Even now mundu uria utare cancer ni agire kunyihia. Yes, exactly, kunyihia. Tondu uramenya mundu ukira rucini akanywa curu wina iria, agaikaranga akaria Weetabix na iria na cai wina iria, thainya ni aranywa cai wina iria, thamugwanja ni arire ngima na iria mara, thai 10 anywe yogurt. That is too much of milk at the end of the day. Na iria riri ni hotete kunyihanyihio maruru mayo tondu yogurt ni nyihanyihitio maruru gukira refresh. Oh my God. Ukira riria rikamirwo. Na ithuĩ turagirira murwaru riria rikamirwo ati nirio ni undu agie hinya.
Iyo neno ngirajiriri we ni aranywa ria ngamira na ria mburi tondu ena cancer. Animal milk is animal milk. Wona? Okay, they wa yogurt and that is not processed
iria
yogurt.
Iria niki
Iria is mucus forming food.
Oh yeah.
Kindu kia mbere ina estrogen koguo ina nyondo breast cancer ni gwakiriria.
Oh yeah.
No ngikoro ni unyuaga muno it will end up giving you breast cancer. Na nikio juga maita maingi daily ungihinguria nyondo guo iria ina cancer kiria gia kosire ni daily.
What?
Yes, ni yogurt, maziwa mala na kunyua kwanza utari na githimi. You see, too much of something is poisonous.
Yes.
Uginyua yogurt 3 times a week, you're good to go. Haya, then how much quantity and what type of yogurt are you taking? Tiguthi dukaini ukona tushedikitwo yogurt ni matuthondekere yogurt that will help our microbiome. Tondu yogurt nyingi ni chemicals, sugar and food color.
Oh yeah.
That is not yogurt. That iyo ndingiuteithia mwiri-ini
waku. How do you determine?
Ni mathondeke yogurt. Na nikio koraga rimwe atiriri.
Riu thaici mundu uragura yogurt ri ndoke ngurie ndagitari. Mundu uragura yogurt agirie kurora ki thiini wa yogurt tondu for now we don't know. Kana yogurt.
Twagirirwo kurora yogurt not artificially cultured.
Yes.
But naturally cultured.
Right.
Iyo ni kindu kia mbere. Thikũ ici matiratwikirira kindu gitagwo probiotics ni cigana thiini wacio. Na tuhagirwo gwikirirwo nigetha tukamenyaga yogurt ino probiotics iria ci thiini wacio kana bacteria iria ci thiini wacio ni muigana uyu. You know? Na niguo twagirwo ni kumenya. But yogurt nyingi reke ngwire. Kwina yogurt urero atiriri. If it is strawberry, ni strawberry thiini. Ti strawberry flavor.
Na ciothe ni maingi
ni flavor. Na ugakora atiriri. Ino ni yogurt igana uguo, ndĩrendia igana rimwe haha. Na ndina yogurt the same igana uguo haha, ndendia magana
matatu.
Muthungu, muhindi, mucaina, acio ndungiona kio eno ya igana. Magana matatu. Atuga atiriri, ati ni mbeca mari.
Ni muthungu mena mbeca ni madola.
Mena mbeca. But ni aramenya atiriri, kwina indo ici artificially cultured and naturally cultured. Na nicio citeithagia microbiome, kindu kigagatu giteithagia microbiome na kigagatu uria kwagirire. Kwina ni twitaga kombucha. Kombucha ni yendagio na andu matimenyaga niki. Yes.
Ni ndu.
Kombucha ni shukari na mashani utiro ndogi na ringi agekira flavor ya strawberry ungi agekira. That is what we call kombucha. Ni mashani ni turungi mufuthu. In short, that is what we call kombucha. That is how it is being processed to become kombucha. Yes, ukaiga handu ikabutha igathondeka that bacteria. Yes, tikuga ati ni njuru tikuga ni njuru
But
no
the
he mundu
ingredient-
ngihuthira kombucha arware tikuga ni njuru no he mundu ngihuthira kombucha imuteithie so it depends
ucio wako utaithika ni uriku
sorry
waguteithika ni uriku
no menya kwi mundu wi handu na ndangikinyira any other probiotics apart from kombucha no ahuthire ni kumuteithia gukira kwaga kuhuthira yes that is the thing so irio nyingi iria turahuthira ri hena irio ungihuthira iteithie stem cells na ni tugire hindu ingi twina green tea twina kindu gitagwo dark chocolate twina kindu gitagwo broccolis ni guteithia asparagus ni guteithia na mundu wi gicagi ringi ndangiona indo icio ndagweta no ne mundu emurwaru you sacrifice yourself tondu mundu erokchogio ero ni ndagitari o kinyata no guguteithia ni okaga
so ati ndagitari muci tukorwo na murwaru niwe ararugirwo ciake kando iria ritwo ni ndagitari no ithuĩ turaria o iria iramurwaririe
tarau njira ya mundu atiriri mundu akanjuria atiri kai uraria mugate wa brown kai wina cukari ngamuria ureterera ngie cukari nigetha rie brown prevention is better than curing
waragia mawaniriire niki ndagitari
prevention is
ati uraria mugate wa brown kai wina cukari
do you know too much of sugar too much of insulin ekosaga cancer na niyo ireha murimu wa cukari too much of sugar in the blood causes cancer koguo ina tragedy maita meri too much of insulin ni iratumire ugie na cukari na too much of sugar tondu insulin yaku ndirakiruta uria kwagiriire indo icio igiri na andu ingi aria anene niguo turaugire no ukorwo wi munene na wina insulin resistance nikio taragwithia kiro ni ura cukari waku utari uronania
so by the way kuri ndu wanjitire ati kuri andu maturaga gym na matinyihagia niki
tondu aroma gym next step is restaurant you see gym next step is restaurant athi restaurant ekuria ngano na ngano ina cukari koguo kuri kubanite 500 calories au kakongera 1000 calories ogocina atia
ni urimo
exactly so the thing is na nikionaga ni tweraga ora wa ketogenic diet kana fasting wana intermittent fast ni uramenya wage no fast no hinyeririe cancer cells
nice
fasting is the best medicine when you have cancer but now the problem is mundu ni arenda ku fast na in the first place ndarariaga irio cina nutrients thiini wacio arafu ambiririe ku fast no kugwa
ma
koguo no mwaka wambe ule ground ya ku fast tombe turute giko giki githiini waku turute giko giki githiini waku tukuhe irio iria ciagiriire body defensive mechanism cia peak rutombere ukuiga process ine ya ku fast but people want to fast na mwiri uhana mafefe nduri na nutrients iria mwiri urenda nigetha to fuel you koguo ogucina mafefe maria me thiini wa mwiri utigarwo na ki you find yourself no kugwo na nikirona mundu ni arathi ku fast I know of a person aigerie thiini wa medical field with just little knowledge a woman a very senior person I know na ndari ugwa ndomwe ni maramenya no ndirauga she came to my clinic. I talked to her. Gimwera, it is very dangerous. Little knowledge is dangerous. Do enough research. Kamuira wekete atia wekete ugo urenda gwika afa straight ko forte na ni mutumia ati tondu niona internet afa 40 days she died. Yes, we buried her. Yeah, she died. In fact, I collapsed, I think, on her 33 days.
Oh, Jesus.
How can you fast?
To suppress
the cancer cells. And your immunity is wanting. Your stem cells is wanting. Your DNA is wanting. Your microbiome is wanting.
Lord Jesus.
Your immunity is wanting. How? It's not possible. Fast,
lack of
feed
knowledge.
These things to make sure they are at spa. Now, and you don't fast. Taru, nikidu menyerete ko fasti. Joke gwire fasti thiko 20.
Ndungihota
ni ukugwa. Now on top of that, dogi fasti take the detox. It's very wrong.
Right.
So now the body, the stem cells, the microbiome, the DNA, the immunity, they will go back to waste.
Yes.
Wanyita, kiko kire githini wa mwiri.
The poison in you.
The poison in you now. The body will feed in the poison in you.
Right.
Yeah. And that is why
hold on, ndanyita nyendaga gucokera ndonge fast utarite wega tondu riri wa fast ri na ndurite wega ri thumu uria we mwiri ri tondu riu wa fast irio mwiri wambagia kuria kiria githiini wa mwiri waku kiambagia kuria poison iria iho so inakuwa too much afadhali hata saa zile uja fast sababu ni wikira kagaboga ugekira karati kamwe
kigogete ria tu go circulate thiini wa system yaku
Jesus Christ
so na nikirona ria wa fast ri mwiri ni ukuhota kuria cancer cells to starve them real fast now you give fast when the best nutrient in the system now the body defensive mechanism will be able to attack the cancer cells
we are almost guy tamakamada maitoni mathira again me I don't feel like we are done higher let me ask you in short in 2 minutes tell us what should we avoid eating, what should we eat, and then you tell us why are people dropping dead with no sickness. Ona kafaga uyu wagi kansa ni akirwo ni arwarire ne twathie kathabari akua aya marakua niki
iria turaria ri to make it very short ireaga inflammation ta gluten thiini wa ngano sukari is acid forming food when it is fermenting it creates a lot of acid in the system. Alcohol is acid forming food. Too much of meat is acid forming food. You see?
Yes.
And when there is a lot of acidity in the system, there is inflammation.
Yeah.
And when there is inflammation, the body cannot fight back because it have tried to fight back. Sorry. Mwiri ni ugeretie kurua muno. Na wageria kurua ni urekira nyingi gukira uria mwiri ungiruta nja kana ungihota kurua ciku thiini ihote gucihota. So na nikio tugatiriri witheme irio cina maguta maingi cina cukari muingi njohi kunywa muno jugatiriri no unywe just a glass of wine andu mathia kuhura na kuuja ati ndaugira andu manywe wine unaona red wine tweka kiria tweka research red wine chemical compound thini wa red wine nirahota ku fight cancer
hau no angeria ndagitari heo mai to get demonize everything. Right.
That is why I said nyama ni waria nyama haha uraria atia uraria naki.
Good.
So nigwari uhoro andu kugwa ahu angi ni meguka clinic-ini
nikio twina kamere kuria meguka kwanza tondu ndiraigwa raire hakui kwaria
yes dena 3 clinics clinic imwe ina Ikuru iria ingi ina Nairobi na iria ingi ithika ni namba cia thimu tukumahe nigetha mandika hai ni tukumatumira kuria clinic iri ni mahe namba cia thimu 0723 390411 namba cia thimu ni kifugu mugwanja igiri ithatu ithatu kenda kifugu
chokera na githungu
0723 390411 Dr. Rose John nutritionist and detox specialist na tuna Facebook page Adams Natural Health Center nigwari uhoro tu umwe wa kugwa just one give me 1 minute make a biopsy kana make a test ya mundu uri ogwite ri andu maragwa muno makauga ni blood clot blood clot ire ya tene andu monaga ri before 2019 ri ire ragwithia andu thaici ni different yes ya tene yari round thaici ni fibrous
tiganayo hold on how nigetha njei atuhe uthari wala muthenya ungi tondu wauga muno riu tutigukura thank you doctor, may God bless you ni thengio kwi Ngai ni gukuhe ugitocio na ni undu wa gukugeria thabari kena rugano rwega rwa kumugoshithia may God bless you so much. You are such a great doctor.
Ndakena ni kujita
thank you. Happy birthday to your son.
Happy birthday Jeremy. Thank you
muno Jeremy. Happy birthday Jeremy na mami ni akwendete muno nginyagia Sunday. God bless you. Gukuri Kameme TV muthigi wa rurire njitagwa gicwakerio kikumo county ya Nyandarua ngwiraga ndukaneire na ndukanemene na no tugutonga in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Bye. I love you.
Kameme TV muthigi wa ruriri.
murimu Plus Learning Management System, an education management tool that fits in with the country's education system and allows schools and parents to monitor students' progress effectively. From tracking and reporting to providing resources and effective learning tools, teachers and parents alike will be in the loop of each child's progress. With Murimu Plus, schools will not need to invest heavily in infrastructure. That's because the system offers the necessary tools, tablets and the software at a great cost to enable schools get off successfully. Things are changing, and the Murimu Plus Learning Management System is at the forefront of this change.
We partner with people through the values we share, the people who inspire us, and the lives we continue to touch. Because when we unite, there's nothing we can't do.
To get news as it happens on your phone, subscribe to 20538 for only 6 shillings.
Nilishinda 150,000, then Lotto wakanipea bonus ya 150,000. I've been doing some distributions, mi hufanya supplies, na haijakuwa rahisi, but sasa with the boost that I've received from Lotto, I think and I believe that itanisaidia sana to continue on with my business. Lotto ni ukweli, kwa wenye bado hawajaamini wanafikiria ni uongo, na kwa mimi imenisaidia. Nimekuwa nikiona the Lotto Foundation, the work that it does, so nimekuwa nikifurahia sana, but finally sasa mimi nimeangukia pia.
Gaming can be addictive.